Hi, I'm Donna Taylor with Living in Central Mississippi. If you're looking for a new construction home under $370,000 with 4 beds, 3 baths, and a 3-car garage, then stay tuned for today's neighborhood tour of Sweetbriar Plantation. Today, I'm in Madison, the county, just outside the city limits of Madison. Sweetbriar Plantation is a neighborhood with a Canton address. So for those of you not familiar with our area, let me explain this part of Canton. Like I just said, we're still in Madison County, but we're outside the city limits, actually on the east side of town, right off Yandell Road. We are also not in the city limits of Canton. So these neighborhoods right off Yandell Road, where I am today, all feed to Madison schools. That's Madison Crossing for the elementary school, which, by the way, is less than 2 miles from this neighborhood, and it feeds to Germantown middle and high schools. So if schools are important to you, that's good news, because these schools, which are given an A rating according to niche.com, are generally preferred over Canton schools. So don't let the address of this home fool you. It's still great schools. This is a newer neighborhood that's just been developed in the last few years, so you won't find any older fixer-uppers here. This neighborhood is definitely what I would consider suburban. There aren't any places from here that you could walk to. It's about 6 miles to the city center of Madison or to Gluckstadt, where there's a good bit of shopping and dining. There is a golf course about a mile from here in Deerfield. It's a members-only course, but the membership is very affordable. So if you're looking for a neighborhood golf course nearby, that might be a good option for you. And if you're wondering how far your commute would be to downtown Jackson, where all of our major hospitals and downtown office buildings are, that's about a 40-minute drive. So what can you expect in this neighborhood as far as amenities? It's actually pretty nice. It's a gated entrance, neighborhood pool, playground area for the kids, and a small lake with open community lawn. Sweetbriar Plantation is a covenant-protected community, and the HOA dues are currently $500 a year. There are currently 130 lots in the neighborhood, and this neighborhood is surrounded by a lot of other neighborhoods similar in size and comp, so this area overall is very residential, not a lot of traffic except probably at 7:30 in the morning when everyone is trying to get to school and work at the same time. So let's talk about the comps now. In the last year, there were 14 homes sold in Sweetbriar Plantation, ranging in price from $350,000 to $400,000. Most of those were 4-bedroom with 2 to 3 baths, ranging from 2,000 to 2,400 square feet, which averages around $175 a square foot. Most of these homes are on a 1/4 acre lot. You can see from the homes around me, most of them are brick exterior. It's a nice neighborhood with sidewalks, similar structure architecture, but not too cookie cutter. And there are currently 3 homes for sale in this neighborhood. Let's take a look inside one today. We're gonna do a walkthrough of 163 Sweetbriar Circle. It's listed for $389,900, 4-bed, 3-bath, 2,371 square feet. So let's talk about my favorite part of this home. That's actually the 3-car garage. You don't normally see that size garage in homes in this price point. You normally have to go up north of $500,000 to get a full 3-car garage. So this home is listed by Donna Hayes with D.R. Horton. D.R. Horton is the builder. They are new to the area. This is actually my first time inside one of their homes. D.R. Horton, as you probably know, is a large national builder. And so let's go inside and check it out. So right inside the front door, there are 2 bedrooms, one to the right, one to the left. There's no carpet in the home. It's luxury vinyl tile throughout. There's a bathroom here in the middle and one more bedroom. And then it opens to a very large living area. You can see this home has been staged to help you see where your furniture is going. There's a formal dining here. Nice, large, open area. There's a couch here currently, but there's definitely room for another couch and a couple more chairs. Gas fireplace, and it's open to the kitchen. There's room for 4 bar stools there. Nice, solid surface counters, stainless steel appliances. And there's still a small breakfast area here. Here's the view. There is a walk-in pantry right off the kitchen and the laundry with the entry to the garage. So this is a triple split home. There's the 2 bedrooms at the front, and then one of the bedrooms is in the rear to the left with its own bathroom right outside the hall. And then the primary is on the opposite wing of the house by itself. A nice large space, plenty of room for a king-size bed. A nice size bathroom. Double vanities. Water closet to the right. Nice tiled shower, separate tub. And a nice size walk-in closet. There's a few shelves and plenty of hanging space. So let's take a look at the back patio area. There is a door right off the kitchen. A nice deep covered patio, plenty of room out here for a couch, grill, table and chairs. Backyard is not fenced in. That's something to consider. Most time the builder on new construction doesn't fence it in, but you can see the pink flag here, that corner, and the pink flag on this corner. Definitely a decent sized yard. And the seller is currently offering $4,000 in buyer cost closing assistance for any offers that close by December 15th. So thanks for joining us. If you haven't already, be sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget to check our website, taylorgroupms.com, for updates. It's linked straight to our MLS. It is updated every 10 minutes, and it has all of the homes in our MLS listed there. Thanks, and see you on the next video.